Alright, let me ask you this. How much is too much to pay for a phone plan? Seriously, think about it. You're scrolling, you're streaming, you're endlessly connected. But are you actually getting value for your hard-earned cash? We've all been there, staring at those monthly bills, wondering if we're being taken for a ride. And that's why today, we're diving deep into a question that's been popping up more and more. What exactly is this mysterious $25 plan at Rogers? Is it a myth? A hidden gem? Or just another marketing ploy? We've all heard whispers of this elusive $25 plan. It's like a digital legend, a promise of affordable connectivity in a world where data costs seem to skyrocket every other week. You see the memes, the forum posts, the "I got it" brags online. But what's the real story? Let's rewind a bit. Rogers, as you know, is one of Canada's telecom giants. They've been a staple in the Canadian communications landscape for decades. They offer a range of services, from internet and cable to, of course, mobile phone plans. And like any major player, they're constantly tweaking their offerings, trying to stay competitive, trying to attract and retain customers. Now, the telecom industry is a battlefield. It's a constant struggle for market share, for customer loyalty, and for the right balance between profit and affordability. And in this battle, the $25 plan is like a rumored secret weapon. It's the whisper that suggests that maybe, just maybe, there's a way to get decent service without breaking the bank. Here's the thing, the $25 plan isn't always advertised front and center. It's not plastered on billboards or pushed in every commercial. Often, it's a targeted offer, a promotional deal, or a plan that's available under specific circumstances. That's why it feels so elusive. So, what are those circumstances? Well, that's where things get interesting. The $25 plan is often tied to specific promotions. Rogers might offer this plan as part of a limited-time promotion, perhaps during a holiday season or as a back-to-school deal. These promotions can be fleeting, so if you see one, it's crucial to act fast. Bring your own device. BYOD, this is a big one. Often, the $25 plan is available for customers who bring their own unlocked devices. By not subsidizing a new phone, Rogers can offer a lower monthly rate. Regional offers. Some plans might be available only in specific regions or provinces. Telecom companies often tailor their offerings to local market conditions and competition. Specific customer segments. Sometimes, the $25 plan is targeted at specific groups, such as students, seniors, or those eligible for certain discounts. Now, let's talk about what you actually get for $25. It's not going to be unlimited everything, that's for sure. But here's a general idea. Limited data. Expect a limited amount of data, likely in the range of a few gigabytes. This might be sufficient for light users who primarily use their phones for calls, texts, and basic browsing. Talk and text. Basic talk and text are usually included, but there might be restrictions on long-distance calls or international roaming. Basic features. Don't expect fancy features like unlimited streaming or premium customer support. This plan is designed for budget-conscious users who prioritize basic connectivity. So, is the $25 plan worth it? It depends on your needs. If you're a heavy data user who streams videos and plays online games, this plan is probably not for you. You'll likely burn through your data allowance in no time and face overage charges. However, if you're a light user who primarily uses your phone for calls, texts, and occasional browsing, the $25 plan could be a great option. It's a budget-friendly way to stay connected without breaking the bank. But here's the catch, you need to do your research. Don't just assume that the $25 plan is readily available. You need to check the Rogers website, look for promotional offers or BYOD plans. Contact Rogers directly, call customer service or visit a Rogers store to inquire about available plans. Read the fine print. Pay close attention to the details of the plan, including data allowances, talk and text restrictions, and potential overage charges. Compare plans. Don't just settle for the first plan you find. Compare different plans from Rogers and other providers to ensure you're getting the best deal. Consider your data needs. Are you a heavy user or a light user? This will really impact your decision. Now, let's address some common misconceptions about the $25 plan. It's a scam. No, it's not a scam. It's a legitimate plan offered by Rogers, but it's often subject to specific conditions. It's unlimited everything. Absolutely not. It's a limited plan designed for budget-conscious users. Everyone can get it. No, it's often targeted at specific customer segments or available as part of limited-time promotions. So, what's the takeaway? The $25 plan at Rogers is a real thing, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a budget-friendly option for light users who are willing to bring their own devices and take advantage of specific promotions. And remember, the telecom industry is constantly changing. New plans are introduced, old plans are discontinued, and promotions come and go. So, it's crucial to stay informed and do your research. In a world where connectivity is essential, finding an affordable phone plan can be a challenge. But with a little bit of effort, you can find a plan that meets your needs and fits your budget. And who knows, maybe that elusive $25 plan is within your reach. It is important to remember that cellular companies are constantly updating prices and plans. Always check with Rogers directly for the most up-to-date information. If you are looking for the best deal, you should always compare the plans from different providers. The $25 plan is a great example of the hidden gems that can be found within the cellular company's offerings. It can be a great way to save money if it fits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.